Welcome to Nehan Drawing!
Look at the frame of the P2 file. Let's capture the magic in every smile. The one on the right gives a clever little wink, while the left one is bright in the middle of a think. Black and white shapes on a page of clean snow. Grab your pencil and watch how the lines start to grow. Holding their flippers in a circle of trust. Drawing the pair is an absolute must. Oh, we're drawing the love in the P2 plan. Sketching out hearts as fast as we can. Hearts in the air, a cluster of three. Happy together for all to see. Orange and for the beaks and the feet. Drawing a friendship happy and sweet. Happy and sweet. High on a forehead, a red heart is placed, like a crown of the friendship that cannot be erased. Wide open beaks and those big round eyes. Sketching them out is a creative prize. Standing so tall in their vector-based grace, let's find the rhythm and fill up the space. From the round white bellies to the black on the wing, hear how the color starts helping them sing. Oh, we're drawing the love in the P2 plan. Sketching out hearts as fast as we can. Hearts in the air, a cluster of three. Happy together for all to see. Orange and for the beaks and the feet. Drawing a friendship's happy and sweet. Happy and sweet. The image is waiting, the pencil is ready. Keep your hands moving and keep your heart steady. From the winking eye to the floating red sign, every little detail looks perfectly fine. One last look at the P2 design. Everything's clicking and starting to shine. Oh, we're drawing the love in the P2 plan. Sketching out hearts as fast as we can. Hearts in the air, a cluster of three. Happy together for all to see. Orange and chip, friendship that's happy and sweet. Happy and sweet. There they are, our two best friends. The magic of drawing never ever ends. From the P2 file to the page you've made, a bond of two penguins that will never fade. Keep sketching, keep smiling, keep dreaming big. Let's give a little happy dance in a tiny jig. Blank white paper, a giant space. Happy drawing, everyone. Goodbye for now.